affluent, very rich, wealthy, or having a lot of money. They live in an affluent society. We went to an affluent family's house. Awful. Very bad, unpleasant, or terrible. The food was awful at the party. The packet is absolutely awful. Colossal. Extremely large, huge, or massive. I ate a colossal amount at the wedding party. We swam in the colossal pond. Deafening. Extremely loud, so loud that it is almost unbearable. I covered my ears because of the deafening engine noise. The music is deafening at the wedding party. Destitute. Extremely poor. Having no money, food, home, or basic necessities. I am destitute, living on the streets after losing my house. I am trying to find some foods for my children because I am destitute. Dwarf. A person, animal, or plant that is much smaller than normal. I have a dwarf brother. The dwarf girl won the competition. Enraged. Extremely angry or furious. The students were enraged by the news of plans. She is enraged by the new rule. Excruciating. Extremely painful or very intense suffering. He is crying in excruciating pain. I felt mental excruciating. Famished. Extremely hungry. The famished dog wolfed down its food in seconds. I'm famished after working hard. Freezing. Extremely cold. Put on your jacket. It's freezing outside. I was freezing in that room. Gorgeous. Extremely beautiful or attractive. She was the most gorgeous girl at the party. The environment looks gorgeous. Immaculate. Very clean, neat, or without any mistake or dirt. They did an immaculate job. The room looked immaculate after cleaning. Minute. Extremely small or tiny. The scientist found minute particles of dust on the lens. There is only a minute difference between these two colors. Obese. Very overweight or having too much body fat. I met my old friend, and he has become obese. He is obese because he eats a balanced diet. Parched. Very thirsty. He bought a glass of juice because his wife was parched. Could you give me some water? I am parched. Terrified. Extremely scared, very afraid. He is terrified of spiders. She was absolutely terrified last night when she heard that strange noise.